In the automotive industry, fast quality analysis of production materials is key. Meet our Thermo Scientific Phenom ParticleX TC, the multi-purpose desktop SEM, enabling cleanliness at microscale as well as fast and automated analysis. By taking quality validations in-house, you can accelerate the throughput up to 10 times. The workflow is quick and easy. The working distance for imaging and X-ray analysis is the same, supporting the ease of use of the Phenom. Load the sample, and an optical overview of the image will appear immediately on the display. With the navigation camera, you'll always know where you are on the sample. The Phenom ParticleX TC captures an SEM image in less than 1 minute after loading the sample. Because of the auto alignment, you can immediately start imaging at high resolution. You can analyze the details of your sample at high magnification, and with the full screen mode, the SEM experience has never been greater. Phenom ParticleX TC offers you analysis of particles, pores, and fibers using our wide range of imaging analysis software, particle morphology, element identification with chemical information using the integrated EDS detector, and investigation of single particles or entire areas with elemental mapping. To start an automated run for quality control of particles, prepare your filter samples and start the software. Customize your recipe for more in-depth investigation. Just press Start and let your ParticleX do the work at night. The next morning, you can analyze your results. By combining the visual information from the backscattered electron detector and the chemical composition of the EDX spectrometry, you can identify and classify hazardous particles, like corundum. Monitor the granulometry variations to ensure the quality of your raw material. You can generate a report that complies with the current norms or customize it for your internal requirements, giving you insightful information about your production quality. Once satisfied with your data, simply press the Eject button and the Phenom ParticleX TC is ready for the next job. The Phenom ParticleX TC, the multi-purpose desktop SEM, enabling cleanliness at the microscale.